a person with a growth mindset, irrespective of the environment around him, will always think positive, will always spread happiness, will have a magnetic personality for him and his organization, for the product and services that he provides, and achieves growth irrespective of what happens in the environment. So growth mindset is a topic for the day, and let's get into the presentation. I'm Agnilo Rajesh, Chairman for St. Angelo's VNCT Ventures. Like I just announced, we are villa developers, one of the largest villa developers in India. Now, let us understand what is a growth mindset. Yes, my friends, brain is also a muscle which needs to develop habits, and it can be trained, and it can be cultured, and it can be nurtured. A growth mindset is the understanding that abilities and understanding can be developed. Those with a growth mindset believe that they can get smarter, more intelligent, and more talented through putting in time and effort. You need to have focused time, energy investing on developing a growth mindset. These are individuals who enjoy challenges and believe that their intelligence, talents, and basic abilities can be increased or enhanced through hard work and dedicated effort. In a nutshell, friends, people with growth mindsets are constantly trying to learn and grow to better themselves. One of the most important aspects about Business Opportunities Club is all the entrepreneurs that you see on your screen are people with a growth mindset, without which you would not have been part of a platform like Business Opportunities Club. So friends, let us understand growth mindset in a very different perspective by making a comparison between what is a growth mindset and what is a fixed mindset. So you can see there are two images, but I would like to make you understand from the pitch. The idea of having a growth mindset versus a fixed mindset is that people with a growth mindset are more willing to engage and face challenges head on rather than run away or seek ways to circumvent those challenges. Individuals with growth mindsets embrace challenges and want to learn from them. They are able to adapt better in difficult situations so that they can apply the same knowledge that they gained in the previous difficult situation for the future difficult situations that you might face. Life and business is all on same lines. There is never an ideal situation. You will always have different scenarios. Let us compare between a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. For a growth mindset, failure is an opportunity to grow, whereas for a fixed mindset, failure is the limit of abilities. For a growth mindset, a person will say, I can learn to do anything I want. For a fixed mindset, the person will say, I'm either good at it or I'm not. In a growth mindset, challenges help me to grow is the thought that cultivates in the mind. In the fixed mindset, my abilities are unchanging is the thought in a fixed mindset. In a growth mindset, my effort and attitude determine my abilities. In a fixed mindset, I don't like to be challenged. In a growth mindset, feedback is constructive. In the fixed mindset, my potential is predetermined. In a growth mindset, I'm inspired by the success of others. In a fixed mindset, when I'm frustrated, I give up. In a growth mindset, I like to try new things. In a fixed mindset, I stick to what I know. So this is a major classification between a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. Very interesting to understand that we can all relate to this kind of subjects very comfortably. What is more interesting to know is how we can learn and grow to the next level. This is what Business Opportunity Club does. They always ideate and absolutely go forward to the next level. So once we understand about growth mindset, we understand where do we stand, how can we change our fixed mindset, and how we can make it function better. In a business environment, organizations that demonstrate a growth mindset emphasize positive views of their employees and commonly have happier employees and more innovative, risk-taking culture. When entrepreneurs are more willing to step out of their comfort zones, they will be able to learn and grow from challenges. Growth mindset helps to increase innovation, efficiency, and productivity by creating new processes and approaches. Friends, let us understand how to nurture a growth mindset. We can nurture a growth mindset by creating a new compelling belief that we believe in. We can create a growth mindset by viewing failure in a different light and understanding it to be a teacher. We can develop a growth mindset by cultivating our own self-awareness and getting into introspection and SWOT analysis. We can develop a growth mindset by being curious and commit ourselves to lifelong learning. Now, when I say lifelong learning, That is what happens at Business Opportunities Club. It's all about lifelong learning. So what is the key takeaway from this particular presentation? Having a growth mindset isn't an easy button or a solution to any problem, and it will not automatically cause good things to happen to you. However, it will likely make it easier and more enjoyable to work hard towards your goals and give you the confidence you need to set over more ambitious goals. Friends, believe in yourself and your abilities to grow, to develop, and to thrive beyond what you currently perceive as your limits.